Hi, this is Blue. Now, as you can see, I'm walking out in nature, and please forgive me, I'm kind of holding my webcam and my video camera and trying to make this all in one shot. I am out in Mother Nature today because I am wanting to reconnect with Mother Nature. I am a pagan. This is important to me. I respect the trees, the world. I mean, the dirt, the rocks, the trees, the birds, the butterflies, even the mosquitoes, because they are part of life. Okay? I come here today because I am wanting to balance myself with nature. I sometimes have to come here and see all that is beautiful to remind me of how wonderful life is, so that I am not always so negative, because I'm human. I have a darker side. I sometimes get mean. Okay? So I come here and I see the flowers, the trees, and it makes me happier. Now, the pagans have this thing called grounding and centering. And this is part of grounding and centering for me, because I am able to send and receive my energies with the world around me. You might think it's funny. Some people don't. Some people understand this. But to put my hand across on this tree right here and kind of bond with it, to feel it, to feel like the tree. See, the tree has roots. It goes deep into the earth. And so all that earth energy, this tree is a part of. And the amazing thing is, this tree also has all of these branches that go up into the air. The tree is a wonderful thing because the tree is grounded with the earth and lifted up into the air. It is full of natural sentient energy. Now, there's been a lot of studies that say that trees and all plants can sense and respond to outside stimuli. Now, I agree with this on many aspects, because I do believe trees and plants do interact. The thing is, they work on a different time level than what we do. You know, these trees around me, they're probably, I'd say close to 80 years old. I'm half their age. They're going to be here long after I'm gone. And so I am just a moment in time for them. Sometimes I think that our year is a day for them, or like a month or something to that effect. And it's an amazing thing to sit down and think of a tree, bond with the earth, bond with the air, feel the wind, feel the sun, sometimes walking around with no shoes or socks on and get the dirt in between your toes. That is what I do. Sorry for my little rant here. I am trying to make a few more YouTube videos, and I wanted to share how I feel. So thank you. Have a good night.